So I'm about to do something I've never done before, and that is I'm going to unbox cake. How exciting is that? I'm very excited. Somebody has sent me a box of cake, which is just too fabulous. It's beyond words, right? So I have cut two of the sides. I didn't want to waste your time cutting the other sides altogether. So I'm just now going to undo the last, you can really hear that box in cut. God, I hope I don't actually wreck the cake. So the person who has sent me this cake is Maggie Szabo, who is a pastry chef. And Maggie is part of my novel writing course and has been very busy on the weekends when we've been doing our live get-togethers because she's been at markets selling stuff. Oh, I'm excited already because look, it's all beautifully wrapped inside. And I'm gluten-free, so she said, what would you like? I said, so anything that's gluten-free would be just lovely. I'm now opening that there. And look at her logo. Isn't it beautiful? It's from scratch. So I just love that because I love chickens. And I love that that's the name of her business, Maggie from Scratch @gmail.com if you want to get in touch with her. And on Instagram, it's from scratch baking. Hopefully you can see that one. Oh. Look at all this. Can we just marvel for a moment at how fantastic it is that we can post cake to each other? How fantastic is that? So it just came in my mail box, like it didn't come, express, or I didn't have to sign for it or anything. I just opened my mailbox and there it was. And I have got one of my favorites, right? The gluten-free Persian love cake. So many of you will know that I'm a big fan of the Persian love cake. I put one in the Noosa show actually one year. It got second place, but it's very yummy. It's one of my favorites for sure. And she has also sent me the double choc brownies. I mean, walnut brownies even. You can't go wrong with walnut brownies. I have been eating a lot of these lately. People have been bringing me a lot of cake lately, which has been greatly appreciated. And I kind of lived off brownies for about 2 days, a week or so ago. And I have choc chip bickies. That one on the top, there's just broken, but perfectly in half, which makes it perfect for dunking because I'm a big dunker. I like to dunk my biscuits in my tea. And I also have, I don't know these. These are gluten-free, dairy-free choc chip mocha loaves. So I am very, very excited to try all of these. I'm going to put Maggie's contact details in wherever I post this, on Instagram or Facebook, YouTube, wherever, and get in touch with her. Maybe she can post you cake as well. And if you know someone at the moment who is in need of cake, there you go. You know what to do. You can send them cake. So I'm now going to go and make an enormous pot of tea and I'm going to start munching my way through all of this food. Thank you so much, Maggie. I am so excited. I've never received cake in the mail before and I just love it, love it, love it. Thank you so much.